Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away free 700 orbs. I'll show you how to get it step by step, but before that, statistically, only 5.2% have subscribed to my channel. If you want to have a better chance of getting free Nitro, then make sure to join my server and subscribe now. Before I tell you about the 700 orbs offer, there's another promotion happening with Inzoi Studio and Discord. They're offering a free avatar, which might be for 2 months. Inzoi Studio is from Crafton. I didn't try this game, but it looks like a simulator type game. It's a cool one if you want to play it. But the avatar looks really cool though. This is probably the best free avatar we received. Now let's address what y'all have been waiting for. Discord has collabed with a game called Ready or Not promoted by VOD Interactive. Unlike the previous promos, here you don't need to install the game. Just watch the video. Mind you, you need to claim this before August 28th. Many people ask me in my comment section that how I have 6,990 orbs while they have only 1,000 orbs. Well, the answer is, I was the beta tester for the orbs feature. I got it even before it was released. As for Ready or Not game, it's a tactical RPG shooting type game, similar to the games that partnered up with Discord before. If you want to give it a whirl, go for it. I also want to put it out here that this offer is only for Discord PC version, so don't ask me how you can claim on Discord phone. I mean, just borrow your parents' or friend's laptop, I guess. Also, this offer is not available for a few countries like Syria, Russia, Iran, and Turkey. So yes, that is it. If you received the 700 orbs and the free avatar, just hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments about it. Also, join my server to have a better chance to get free Nitro, decors, and layouts. If you want to learn how to get 700 orbs from Delta Force and Discord collaboration, just watch this video.